Effective age at this point, 55.
And what's that in human terms?
Equivalent to around 92.
Dr. Kingsley, now Dr. Serenade, X-41.
Right here is in a 70th hour. That's where the first degenerative changes will begin.
You can start studying here.
He's aging at a rate of approximately 5 years per month.
Jesus Christ. What was the result of that test then, Charlie?
Blood cells gradually lost their ability to uptake oxygen.
Effective age now, 85. Human equivalent, 129.